go, there we go. One by one, one by one. Currently rolling out. I believe we are 9 cars deep. Straight uncut, y'all. Damn, all I see is Beamer. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. It has been quite a while, and I apologize, you guys. But we are back, currently on our way to go link up with some BMW homies. I believe we're actually gonna cruise down to Half Moon Bay, or we're gonna cruise up to Stinson Beach. Not 100% sure yet, but if you guys are new, go down, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. And with that, let's get started with this video. So as I was stating prior, we are gonna be linking up with some homies. I believe there's gonna be a G82, a G80, the boy Ricky's F82. I believe some E90s are popping out. And some other cars, not 100% sure, but we are on our way to link up with them right now. I am running a bit late, just fashionably late, not too late. Once we link up, show you guys around. Beautiful G80, beautiful F82, the one and only Sebastian.
Good to see you, bro.
What's up, buddy? Yes, sir.
Yep, you're the 9th car here.
Oh man, you guys heard it already.
Yeah.
If you guys remember Sebastian, G82, grab it.
Right there, she's lowered now.
She is lowered. We're gonna give a quick review once we post up, and then we'll go from there.
Yes, sir.
Let's get it.
Good to see you, bro.
Likewise, bro. So yes, Ricky's F82 right there. Another F8. Oh, NorCal M, I think, and the fast guy. Fire lineup. Let's get this going. Beautiful G80. 2 beautiful G80s, I would say. This one has the. Oh my God. Don't tempt me, bro. You guys heard him. Right on, bro. Check out this interior. Full LCD screen and everything. Man. I can't get enough of this stuff. You guys know I love my G80s. Interior is crazy nice. Paired beside a white G80 on some BBSs. You guys, that baller status right here. Front end for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. G80 front end, F8X front end. Personally, you can't. This is a timeless front end, but this also it grows for sure. It grew on me 100%. To another with the LCIs, a bit dark, but F82 paired beside Sebastian's. Let me know what you guys think. G82, F82, this color. I don't know if you guys can see it, but fat tires, the man. But yeah, fire, man. I told you guys, E92 M3. I am yet to see what this thing sounds like on the road. Beautiful Yasmin. This blue right here goes crazy. But as I was saying, vendors me, of course, but E92, F82, my car. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm not sure if we're waiting on anyone else. After that, we are gonna cruise out and head from there. Let the cold starts begin. So G80s are all warmed up. There we go, one by one, one by one. That boy camming over here. Ooh, that's a nice tone. But yeah, warming up the whips right now before we head on out. Stinson Beach confirmed. Beautiful turnout. Loving my F80s too, or F8X. Loving my G8Xs. Glad to see an E92 popped out. So we are definitely gonna enjoy that sound. But we are heading out now, so y'all stay tuned. Currently rolling out. I believe we are 9 cars deep. Not 100% sure, but POV's about to go crazy through the tunnels and all. We try to get as much as we can. Like I said, it's really just it was a random pop-up meet. Not even a meet, more so a cruise. You guys hear the burbles and all. Definitely had some catching up to do, but we are making our way. Oof, those downshifts. Y'all, take a look at the lineup. F82, E92, F82, F82. All right, Ricky, your time to shine. Oh man, these boys are going nuts. Oh, yup. There it is. Boy, Ricky, a menace to society, y'all. Hey, my boy Ricky's single, so ladies, y'all trying to ride passenger princess, let him know. That boy, something right now. He's having fun. That's all that matters, you know? Can't go wrong with that. Can't go wrong with that. Tuner! Oh, yup. I know the tunnel's up ahead. That should be pretty dope outcome right now. We are indeed going crazy right now. Who's catching a run? Who's catching a run? No, I thought I was catching a run with the Mustang. I was mistaken. Merrill really on us though. Yeah, these boys going crazy right now. Straight uncut, y'all. Woo! Yeah, this zip right here go gnarly. Really wish I brought my GoPro, but it's all good. There it is. Let that V8 scream. Insane. Woohoo! What else do you really need? Okay, my bad. Merrill going nuts. This fog's getting crazy right now. Insane. Not gonna lie, that was a cool little cruise. We did hop off the freeway now. But if you guys are enjoying the content, hit that like button. Come on, y'all. Stay subscribed. Show some love. Yeah, that G80 in front of me, straight goals, you guys. I can never get enough that rear end. Got my homie in the back, also in a G80. You can't really see him though, but all those cars, that's the whole lineup right there. Hopefully there's good lighting at Stinson Beach, so you guys can, you know. Oh, someone's revving over there. But, oh yeah. Oh, they going crazy right now. Let's see if you guys can see. I'm trying to see the homie G80. They're going crazy. They are going crazy indeed. What a time to be alive. Nothing but Beamers. And then that Camaro. I don't know where that Camaro came from, but hey man, if you happen to find the video, I mean shit. Shout out to you, bro. You picked the right day to pop out and cruise with us. I would be happy too. If I popped down and I saw a bunch of Beamers or whatever kind of car it was, I hop on that too. Now the only thing I gotta worry about now is one, not losing homeboy in the front, and two, avoiding any potholes, cause I'm trying to go home with my front lip intact. So G80 is leading the pack. Man, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but my lip is going through it right now. Nothing crazy yet, you know, knock on wood. You guys see the lineup behind me? They're there until they're not there. There they go. Probably not gonna get a lot of footage up here just because one, it's a one lane, meaning you're only really gonna see the G80 in front of me. And two, I'm not trying to fall off the cliff. So we'll probably catch you guys back once we are down at the beach. But you guys can see the fog actually kicked in, you guys. If there's one thing that don't mix, it's canyons and fog. And today, it just happened to be that. But it's all right, you guys. We are gonna be cautious when driving through here, you know. Always respect your limits and everything. We are slowly making our way towards the beach. It did get a bit wet. You guys see the lineup of cars. You guys can kind of see the fog is not really helping right now, but you guys get the gist of it. But yeah, you guys can't see them, but you can definitely hear them. But while you guys are tuned in, let me know what you guys think about that G80 up ahead on the BBSs. I believe it's Alpine White, I could be wrong. So we have officially made it down the mountain. All Beamers safe and sound. Thankfully, you know, that's always priorities. But we are gonna be looking for place to post up and see if we can catch these northern lights today. Not gonna lie, I did enjoy that rear end of the G80 the whole way down. I hope you guys did as well. Look at that thing. Successfully made it down. G80, E92. Boy Ricky. Damn, all I see is Beamer. Oh, yep, oh, yep. Look at that. Oh, man. G82 versus G80. Take your pick. Pick your poison, y'all. Let me know what you guys are going towards. Got the homie in the bag with the M4. A lot of M4s today. Not many. Actually, no F80s today. I just realized that. No F80s. G80s for sure, but no F80s.
I said lip holding up.
Hey, man. It's holding for now. Shit. He's right, though. All right. We've officially made it. I believe my lip is probably still there. Part of it is still there. But what did they take us, Ricky? Oh my god. A bit is gone, but it's all right. Damn, we got a whole lineup. But look at this. Look where they bring me. Look at this terrain right here. Oh my god. Tell me that is not beautiful. But I feel like a bunch or a good portion is going to head up north. The other bunch is actually going to head to In-N-Out. I myself am going to go to In-N-Out. Down the ascent and back to civilization with the S65 in front of me. Nothing beats that melody of a V8 that it is. The downshifts are just brutal and crisp. Let's see if homie gives us a taste. There it is. There it is. Yeah, these boys ripping it. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. More videos to come. I will be tagging down IGs for all these cars, so give them a follow, show some love. That being said, though, closing out. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.